My name is Mohammad Ali Abid. I am a full stack Java developer and a full stack web developer and a technical educator and a student of software engineering at University of Gujarat, Pakistan. Now, welcome to the second lecture and of full stack Java development series and a first lecture of Java fundamental. In this session, in this video, we will discuss about three main topics this, and I will show you my demo project I have created in front end, back end, and database JDBC connection. Now, this is very interesting project. Now, I will show you my demo project that will understand the working of Java full stack project. Now, this is a .exe file I have created of my demo project. This is a college management system. Now I will show you how to convert your full stack Java development application into the .exe file that you will send to your teachers or the other colleagues to run it their own operating system. Now I will show you the working. I will press on the application file of this. This is the jar file. I will also tell you what is the jar file. Now first of all we will press on this application file. Now that's it. This is the front end I have created in Swing using the uh, Java. Swing is basically a GUI framework of Java. Now, if I press on the search icon, then it will move me to the other page. Now, if I press the load, then it will show me the data. Now, that's it. That's you can clearly see the front end, the back end, the database connection is properly working. This is the data stored in our database, and the coding of Java is implemented. If I press on this load icon, then it will show me the data, fetch the data from the database and show me into the GUI interface. Now I will also show you the authentication that I have implemented on this project. Like if I enter my credential for the user login, then I will also add it. Now that's it. It will move me onto my other page, like admin control page. I have add the student, search the student, update the student, and delete the student. Now if I press on delete student, then it will add student, that it will move me onto the add student page, in which I will add the roll number, name, class, and email. All the things will be included into our database if I press add button. Now this is a demo project. Now we will move on to the other topic of this session, setup and the philosophy. Now the first need is to you need to download the IDE integrated development environment on which we will write our Java program and run it. Now for this I will use the VS Code, which is most usable and most easy for the beginner to use. I will also show you how to install the Java JDK and add its bin directory into our environmental variable. Like this is Visual Studio. You need to enter the Visual Studio, then it will show you this page. You will download it by pressing on this icon. It will show you your compatible download file depending upon your operating system. You need to download it and then just run it. Now after this, you need to download the Java JDK download. Now you need to move on to the Oracle or other platform you can choose. Now after this, you need to download the Java JDK file. After this, it will be moved on to the your C directory, program files, and Java, and there is my JDK file. I will copy the bin path of JDK file. I have already entered this bin file directly into my environmental variable, but I will show you how to add it. Then you need to enter environmental variable and press on this, and you will show the path icon, edit, new, and you need to enter it. I have already entered it, so I don't need to enter it again. I will cancel it. You need to press OK. After this, you need to confirm the installation. You need to confirm the adding of bin path into your system by clicking on Java. You need to enter the Java hyphen dash then version, then it will show you your Java JDK version. This is our Java JDK version. Now after this pressing, we have successfully add our Java JDK file into our IDE, into our variable. After opening this, you need to open the IDE, then press on the left side. You can also press the Java project when you open your new IDE page. From this, I will create the program dot. Dot is basically representation of the file in which you are going to write the program. We are going to write our Java program, so I will use the Java extension to write. Now you can clearly see the cup icon here. It show me the Java. Now IDE has the many benefits, like you will see the auto correction and the auto adding up the recommendation presented by this to complete the code. First of all, the second topic is successfully done. Now, the third topic is printing statement. Printing statement will be very interesting. Now, first of all, I will create the class. Class. Now you can clearly see it will show me the suggestions here. Now, how big? Okay. Now, that's our structure. You need to read and keep it in your mind. This is a basically the most important structure. You need to keep it in your mind. Every program contain this structure. I will show you every part of this thing step by step and session by session and video by video, what is public and what is class and what is static and what is main. You just need to read it and keep it in your mind. Acha. Now the third thing which we are going to create is public. We are going to create the printing statement. The printing statement start with system dot out dot print ln and hello world. Now this is our printing statement that we will use to print anything on the screen. Now system dot out represents you need to print the hello world on the system's terminal. Okay, ln represent the next line, that it will show me the next line after. If I enter like uh, hello, then it will print on the next line. Okay, ln represent the next line. If I will show you exact, like if I press on it, then it will show me the small terminal here. The small terminal contain the output of this Java program, like that. That's it. That you can clearly see the hello world. The second hello world is move on to the next line. Now if I remove the ln, then you can see it will move on to its next. Okay. Now we also have printf that specify the formatted, like if you are familiar with C++ language, then we use the printf statement. And we can also use scanf statement on C language. That's These are things similar. These structures are similar to this, but this session is basically for the fundamentals. Now, so I am saying it to you now. These two printf statement is most usable in Java. Now the third and the fourth most important topic of this session is variable and the data type. The variable is just like a container. We will add and store the data and any type of thing in it. I will show you what is variable. Like this is my whiteboard. If I press on uh, now examine, uh, this is my memory. Okay. Now if I create a variable name a, this variable, this memory contain many slots. Okay, you are familiar with it. Okay, is cell, like we call it cell. Then these are cells. Okay, now if I create a variable, then with the compiler will reserve a specific cell, and the name of the variable will be given to it. Like if I said the name of the variable is a, then this cell contain the name a. Like if I am going to call the value stored in this cell, then I will use the a represents the name of this cell. Okay, now if I add a, if I add the 10 value in it and then call the variable a, then this value will be given to the compiler and it will shown onto the screen. Compiler will send the request to the RAM, and RAM will check the location name a. The a name is that, and it will get the value, and value will be again sent to the compiler, and compiler will again print the output. Now out of this I will show you the how exact is it work. Like if I create the variable, I will also explain you what is int. Okay, so don't be panic. Now I will create the a. I have already set to you a. I have reserved the location a in memory and set the variable, set the value 10. Now I will print this. We simply print by doing the print system dot out dot println statement, and we will write the variable name in it. Okay, now this is variable name. Now if I run this my file, then it will show me the output 10 here. Okay, now the fourth most important thing is data type. Data type specify the type of the data we will used in the variable to store. Okay, now I will explain the types. There are most useful usable types are int and uh, double, and third is string, and the fourth is character. Now these are the most useful. I will also add one more. Now these are the most usable data types of using in Java. Now int specify the type of the integer value like 1 2 3 4. It will never contain the bullet point dot floating point. Double contain the bullet point but is has greater length to store the data. String contain the collection of characters like Muhammad Ali name, or the sentence like this is my statement, like the sentence I have written it. This is a string. Okay, now if I create this string variable and name it this and send John Doe. Okay, and if I print it, then it will print the string onto our terminal. Okay, that's it, that's the string. Okay, this will specify the string statement, and the string statement is written inside the curly brackets, and the floating point is also the double floating point contain integer value like 1.3 or 10.9, like, but he said lower length than double. Double and floating point have same function, but it has greater length and it has low length. And character contain only one character. Like if I want to store character like one character only, then I will write a and convert my data type into the char. Now if I run it, then you can clearly see a here. You need to explore different data types used in our Java program. We will basically focus on developing the logic and our project and the real world entities and real world problems. We will not waste our time in learning much deeper in fundamentals. I hope you will like this video, and you just need to subscribe my channel to get notified any update. See you into the next video. Bye bye.